Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download settings on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click social permissions. Here as you see you'll find download settings, you can manage it, and that's it for today. That's how to find download settings on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.